Okay, so let's talk about categories. So by now, you should have already completed your budget category planner. So what we're going to do in this section is transpose your budget category planner information and place it into YNAB. So as you go through this section and organize your categories, I want you to think, what jobs do I need my money to do for me? So that's going to help you out there. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so you signed into YNAB, and when you first sign in, you'll notice YNAB has pre-filled in this information for you. So to make this easy on yourself, here's what you're going to do. So there's a little drop down arrow next to each heading. So I want you to right click and you're going to press delete. So you're going to do this for every heading next to the arrow, and you're just left with just a category. So this just gives you a blank slate to work with. Okay. Awesome. So now here's my budget again. So I'm going to input the exact information from the budget category into YNAB. So we're going to start at the top here. And you see I have swipe card as my first category group. So we're just going to go ahead and put that into YNAB. So when you see the plus sign next to category group, you're going to type in the first name. In my case, it is swipe card. Boom. Okay, first group down. All right, so next we're gonna add the first category under swipe card. So in my case, it's groceries. So we're gonna hover over your category group and you'll see another plus sign on the right hand side. So you're gonna select that and I'm gonna add groceries for me, but you're gonna add your first category and bam, that's your first envelope down. So we're gonna finish out this category group and we're gonna go ahead and input the rest of those categories here. So we have miscellaneous housing. Okay. Taco. Taco is my cat, y'all. That's my cat. So it makes sense for me. It's not an actual food, but yeah, they pets are expensive. So of course he has a category. Gas, hair, personal grooming. All right. And fun. Awesome. Okay, so what you'll notice is that when you create a new category, it automatically goes to the top of the page here. So YNAB is flexible. So if you want to rearrange the order to match your budget planners, you're just gonna drag and drop, right? So you just drag it, drop it, and then you'll just put it in the order that matches your your planner. What is that? Taco, then gas, hair, then fun. Awesome. Okay. You're going to do this to the order that makes sense for you. But now, if you really want to get creative here, what you can do, you kind of have fun with it. You can add emojis here. So, actually, you're going to click the category planner, right click if you're using a Mac, and go to emojis. I'm just going to add a little card here. Oh, there we go. I'll do it again. Add a little card. Boom. Okay. So, I'll add the rest of the categories from my budget category planner. And this is what it will look like when it's all done. So now once you finish adding all of your own budget into YNAB, you've successfully created your digital envelope. So look at you budgeting and whatnot. Okay. So I'll see you in the next section where we'll talk about targets.